Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Klarna account. There are 7 steps to this. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to go to Klarna website. So you want to open a web browser and navigate to Klarna's website, and then you want to click on sign up in the top right corner. Now for the second step, you got to choose your account type. So first thing you want to do is to select the account, the type of account that you want to create. That could be a business account, or it could be a personal account. Now once you've chosen that, just click continue, and we move on to the third step, which is to enter your email address. So you want to enter your email address, and of course just click continue. That will take us to the fourth step, which is creating a password. Now you want to just create a strong and unique password, and then confirm your password and click continue. And here we are in step 5. You just got to enter your personal details. So you got to enter your first and last name, and then your date of birth, your phone number, and once you're done, click continue. That will take us to the 6th step, which is to add a payment method. So you could add a payment method using your credit card or debit card or your bank account. Now just enter the required payment details, and that will bring us to the 7th step, which is to verify your account. So Klarna will need to send a verification email to your registered email address. All you got to do is just click on the verification link in the email to activate your account, and just like that, you have your Klarna account all set up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.